Today I'm taking a look at the T21X. That's kind of nice. Never seen one with a pull tab. It does have a warning on there. Make sure we remove the insulating film. So that means that there is going to be a little protector between the flashlight and the battery. So this is one of the neat things about this flashlight is that we have this little clip right here. So that's going to be used with this strap, and we can essentially use this as a headband flashlight. So we can rotate this guy around. That has a very smooth motion to it. That is very nice. And we just strap that to our head, and we would have a head-mounted flashlight. We can also take that off. We'll have a regular flashlight. If you're a blue-collar worker like me and you got a front pocket on your shirt, you can put that clip on there and you can shine wherever your hands need to be. That is one of the main reasons that I wanted this flashlight in particular. We can also use it straight like that, like a regular flashlight. We do have a magnetic back, and that is fully capable of holding the flashlight up. We have kind of a ringed grip right here, but it's not too thick. That's important to me because that means I'm not going to have to worry about when I get grime and stuff on there having to be able to clean that off. So it says press 2 seconds to lock and unlock. Got a warning for heat coming out of the LED, and there's a nice silvery reflector in there. On the side we got a spot for charging the battery, and that is using USB-C. Did also come with a cable for charging. That's USB-C to USB-A. Got a spring conductor there on the back. We got our battery protector, so you don't have to worry about this battery going dead in shipment. And that comes with a 1000 milliamp hour 14500. Now, this is a 3.7 volt, so this is going to have a lot more power output than a standard AA battery. Oh, that's interesting. So the clip on here, we can actually pull this guy off, but when we clip that on and then put our rear cover on, it actually covers that up, so we don't have to worry about that clip falling off. That is a neat little design. I've never seen that before. So that is currently locked out. I'm going to press and hold the button for 2 seconds, and that is moonlight mode. So we have got a nice dim light. If you want to be able to run this flashlight for a long time, but you don't need a ton of light, basically if you just need to like read something in the dark, that is going to be an excellent option for that. Then if we press and hold, we go to medium and high. And high is actually pretty darn bright. Now if I press the button, that turns it off. If I press it back on, it goes right back to the old setting. There's a lot of flashlights where you have to cycle through everything, especially when you go to turn it off. If you turn it back on and it goes to strobe mode, something like that, then you end up blinding yourself. So I like that this actually has a memory on it. I'm going to shut it off. Now if I double click, we've got turbo mode. So that is much brighter. This is going to use the most battery power, but if you need the brightest setting, that is going to be what you want. If we triple click, we got strobe. And if we triple click again, we got the SOS. So you got all your functions in this flashlight. Plus just having that 90-degree swivel, that is a super handy function. If we turn this on, we can see that green light right there. Green means it has 3.2 volts or higher on the battery. If it was red, it would be 3.2 volts or under. So one of the nicer things about a flashlight like this is if you wanted to turn this guy on, and you wanted to point specifically at a target, but it wasn't straight up and down, it wasn't off to the side, we can just rotate this a small amount and then point that at the direction we want it to go. Combine that with the magnet and the clip, and this is going to be a very usable flashlight. Okay, so now I'm outside. This is low or moonlight. It is very not too bright. Here is medium. So we're starting to pick things up. Here is bright. And this actually lights up this area much better than I thought it would out of a single little flashlight like that. I'm going to turn it off. And let's go to turbo, and that definitely lights this area up. For a tiny little light, that is actually pretty impressive. So now we're inside. We're about 2-3 yards away. This is moonlight, medium, and high. So moonlight is actually pretty doable. So if you want to conserve your battery power and you just need a little light, this is completely capable of handling that. So let's go up to medium and high. So yeah, that is pretty nice. Plus the fact that is magnetic means that we can work without having to worry about holding this guy. I don't have to turn it into a toothbrush. That is pretty cool. And because we got that clip on the back, I can slide that into my pocket, and now wherever I walk, I have got that light. Pretty cool. So overall, that is a pretty nice flashlight.